I welcome all of you in this valedictory function of AICT sponsored 1 week online HTTP on energy conservation and audit. So before proceeding, I brief about the activities carried out in this HTTP. We got approval for this program during the last year, but and it is a online offline program which is sponsored by AICT. But due to this pandemic situation, we shifted to this as an online mode, and we conduct this as per AICT guidelines. We conduct this particular program, HTTP program, in 3 phases. So previous 2 phases are completed, and we are just at the end of this third phase. So during this third phase, there are we just brief about these activities carried out in this HTTP. So in first phase, there are 75 participants registered and only 56 are appeared for the test, and they are qualified for the GATE certificate according to their performance. That is a 60% qualifying marks in the test and the 80% attendance in the sessions. In second phase, there are around 136 are registered and 126 are participated for the test. And in this third phase, so only 50 participants appear for the test, and we issue certificates for those participants who are qualified with a minimum 60% of marks. So this third phase inaugural function is started on the auspicious hand of Honorable Anil Chaudhary sir from EESL New Delhi. He guided and motivated participants to conduct activities in the energy audit, and he also briefed about the activities carried out by EESL, and he also extended his support to the proposals that are placed by institutes or industry during in this energy conservation area. From our college also, if you want any support to conduct energy audit or any query during this calculations of this energy audit or any support in terms of the instruments for the energy audit, we also provide that particular support for your industry or institute. And this inaugural function is presided by our Honorable Director Anil Bagne sir. He also extended his support to all colleges regarding all these instruments and any other resources for the energy audit. So just I brief about the sessions that are conducted in this particular phase 3 HTTP. So first session is a start with Vijay Limbe sir. He give brief basics of the energy conservation in electrical system and devices. In this session is followed by J. Srinivasan sir. He is a motor expert, or they called as a motorman in industry. If you invite them for any session, he will readily accept your invitation without any extra or without any expectation of the honorarium and such. So he is always ready for giving knowledge of their during their experience, industrial experience, and they will share their experience with our institutes. So next is the Dr. J. Nagesh Kumar. He discussed case studies of energy conservation in thermal utilities. Next of this session is the Ashok Setaram sir. He nicely explained the energy monitoring of utilities in energy conservation. Sudhir Patil sir explained the automated monitoring of electrical lighting to conserve energy with industrial case studies. Another is the Chandrasekhar Kulkarni from Neptune Engineers Private Limited. He discussed case studies on the HVAC system. Anthony Gerald, he explained energy efficiency in manufacturing sector with case studies. Dr. S.A. Kotsar explained the methodology that are carried out for the energy audit. What are the basic steps that are we have to carry out in the energy audit, and with calculations and some case studies of the energy audit that is helpful for all the participants. Another session is the carried out by Sunil Chhatre sir, who explained the need of this IoT, that need of IoT in integration with this energy audit activity, and he explained some few case studies in energy audit with this IoT solution. So next is the Vimal Kumar. He explained the solar PV system and their case studies in the energy conservation. Another session of the understanding cables given by Pradeep Ram Kharani. Generally, we ignore this cable consideration in energy audit, but sir very nicely explained how that cable selection is affect the energy consumption and how we can achieve that energy saving by proper selection of the cables. And next one is the so next session is on the new education policy. So AICT make compulsory one session in any STTP should be on the new education policy. So this session is conducted by Dr. Sanjay Uttarwar sir, and he narrated new education policy to our faculty participants very nicely with different examples, and it will definitely helpful for the teaching learning process of in the academic of the our faculties. And next session will be conducted by Dr. Anga Patak. She nicely elaborate few case studies of solar utilities for medium temperature systems in industrial process. Another session is conducted on the demonstration of instruments. So some instruments demonstration we conducted in this session. This session is conducted by myself. And in the last session, we have Mr. Bibu Charan Swain. He nicely explained about the research area that are available in this energy conservation uh, scenario, and he give a very brief information and very nice information regarding the demonstration projects and what are the different schemes under which we can conduct this energy activity or energy studies for different industries, and we can uh, step further in this energy audit activities through this uh, demonstration projects or these schemes. So these are the some sessions. These are conducted in this HTTP. We upload all the session recordings on YouTube, and that list is provided on the WhatsApp group. These WhatsApp groups are make alive, and so that we can ask any query that are you observe during this energy audit activity or energy studies of a particular industry or system or any building, commercial building. So we very much thankful for all the participants and their management for deputing them to this STTP, and hope some same we hope same cooperation in the future also, and we expect some valuable feedback so that we can improve in future. So now I request participants to give their feedbacks of this HTTP. Any participants? Any participants? You can share your views regarding this HTTP.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hello. Sir, myself, Professor A.S. Milinmani, serving as assistant professor in one of the college in Karnataka. So, First, I want to express my sincere thanks to AICT committee for giving such an opportunity to participate in the energy conservation and energy auditing systems. I express my heartily thanks to organizers of this college, especially during the COVID situation. We are facing lot of problems, but this all these efforts keeps away from our teaching faculty, and it will definitely help, sir, in future for during our projects. It also encourages uh, energy auditing processes for the faculty peoples also, but it is having a very wonderful sessions. Once again, I express my heartily thanks to all of resource persons also and your organizing committee. All sessions are very good and resource persons also very good. Uh, I express my whole thanks to this situation, sir. Thank you to one and all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you. And previous phase also, for previous phases, also there are some different resource person. Their session recordings are also available on the YouTube, and these are we soon share to your WhatsApp group, our WhatsApp group. So you can also listen these sessions also. These are very informative and very innovative. You can go through that particular sessions of the last phases, phase 1 and
Yes,
phase 2.
sir. I am kindly requesting you that your all sessions are good. If we are taking the steps for the any energy audit, if any we are facing difficulties, please we need your help, sir. That in future
Yes, sir. Yes.
also.
Yes, sir. We are extend our support in terms of instrument
Okay.
also, in terms of any difficulty during your calculation
Uh,
or any another
yes,
support.
sir.
If you, definitely, sir.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. So that's why purposefully that demonstration session we will conduct, and how we can measure that particular reading of any system and how we can utilize during the energy audit, that
Yes, sir.
we explain this. And also
Yes,
methodology
sir.
session conducted by Dr. S.A. Koch sir. He also explained very nicely that
Yes, sir.
what are the steps, how calculations are made, and how we can represent in front of the management, in how we can in what manner we can represent in management. That also explained by sir.
Okay,
So
sir. Thank you.
definitely we help sir. Definitely, definitely. Any another participant? So some delay we observe during this session. So just we are due to some internet connections or just some technical issue, some delays observed in some sessions. So we sorry for that, and next time we will improve that one. Anyone participants? They can you can share your views regarding this particular HTTP programs. A resource person, what should again, what content in that particular sessions, if you want any another content or any another manner, if you want to express or present these sessions, that feedback also you can share.
Hello, sir.
Yes sir. Yes sir. Hello.
Sir, sir, 1 minute. I feel very happy. You are one of the session by using IoT techniques in the energy audit and conservation. It gives more helpful, sir, as present situation. Such
Yes, sir.
type
Yes.
of more elaborated case studies on IoT and use of IoT in energy audit. If you are making some planning for next continuation of this type of FDPs with support of AICT, it may good for all faculties as per my view.
Yes,
Present
sir. Yes.
situation, IoT plays very important role in electricity. Definitely, it will
Yes.
help to development of nation and faculties also.
Yes, sir. In
Yes, sir.
context with this, we place two sessions. Mr. Sudhir Patil, automated control of that lighting systems, and this IoT integration with our energy audit system by Chhatre sir. And in previous phase, we also put a session that are conducted by Soma Sundaram sir. That sessions are also available in recording. That will be shared just within hours on the WhatsApp group.
No, sir. No, sir. That is over.
Uh,
In future days,
yes,
we
yes, yes.
want
In
more
future also.
workshops on FDP. That I am
Yes, sir. Yes.
requesting. That, okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Definitely,
Thank you.
definitely. Sir. So anyone, so I request all participants to make their camera on so that we can take a snapshot of all participants. Please make your camera on. Chetan Patil sir, please take snapshot.
Okay, sir, fine.
Yes, sir.
Just a request to all participants, just turn on your camera so that we can take the screenshot of this program. Just a request to all participants to turn on their cameras. Okay, sir, done. I have taken all these
Okay,
screenshots.
okay, okay. Okay. Anyone can share your feedback regarding this HTTP? Anybody want to share your feedback or experiences during this HTTP? Now I request Chetan Patil sir to propose vote of thanks.
Okay, thank you, sir. As a token of honor and respect, myself, Mr. Chetan Patil, on behalf of Surrey Institute of Technology College of Engineering, offers thanks to all the members of this STTP. At first, I would like to thank all research persons for delivering such a wonderful knowledge and spending a beautiful time with us. I would like to thank to our Honorable Executive Director, Sri Anil Bagne sir, our principal and convener of this program, Dr. Sanjay Koch sir, for this series of STTP on energy conservation and audit. Because of them only, we get such a wonderful and beautiful sessions. I would like to thank Vice Principal Ms. S.P. Kurlagar ma'am, Dr. K. Hussain sir, Head of Electrical Department, and Dr. P.M. Bhagwat sir, for Head of Mechanical Department, for their valuable cooperations. Also, I thank all the participants and their management for attending this FTP series. Also, I want to thank the coordinator of this STDP, Mr. M.M. Khade sir and Mr. A.L. Zamadar sir, for their coordinations. Last but not least, all the members who helped us directly and indirectly to conduct this session nicely. Thank you. Thank you once again. Thank you all. Now I declare that this series of short-term training programming is over. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Chetan Patel sir. Thank you. Thank you all of you for patiently attending this STTP. Thank you. Thank you.